I had to make another video, this white video, not the white album, but the white video. My praying flags from Tibet hanging out here. Kind of north it actually is. And down here at the bottom of my dog, right there. 'Cause we're going over here to this, a lot of snow. I'll show you. This is the white world. Right now I'm standing in, I guess, more than half a meter of snow. You can see my knee down there. That's my knee, and I'm not down the bottom yet. But I don't want to. Just want to make this white video for you. With this beloved one, dear TENZIN GYATSO SOFUZAN. Because his father was named Sofus, and in Denmark we use the sen in the back of the name. We used to, anyhow. And because he is halfpart a Japaneze Spitz, Sofuzan would be the best. Come, TENZIN! Sofuzan. Just like Danielson from the Karate Kid movies. But actually, more than, I guess, if I move up here, more than 1 meter of snow. You might not be able to hear me because it's blowing a lot, and that's why the snow is high here. TENZIN, come! TENZIN! Just wanted to show you. Try to go over here. As you can see, the dog just went down here. This is my neighbor's house. But I can't enter. No, I can't enter. Because right here, there's a snowstorm. Right? Like this. My dog likes it. And come TENZIN. Oh, it's more than a meter. I'll just show you. I'm in the middle of the snow right here. Just show you. About 1 meter. Oh! This is it. White video number 2, I guess. This was where I was in 1 meter of snow. Whatever it's called. Snowstorm in Denmark. You like it? I do. Even though nobody can come up to my house. It's up there. here, approximately 1 meter of snow. So, within the next 3 days or so, nobody would be able to come up, except some going through snow masses, just like I did right here when I was showing you the 1 meter. I'm just looking where my dog is running. Yeah. Here's up front, here's at the half of 1 meter. I look different as long as you have some storage ready. So you have food and water and heating and whatever. But I have to where my dog's going, because he's really curious. He's only 4 months old, so Tenzin, come! Tenzin, come! Come on! Come! This is life. This is my new reality, and I just love it. Really just love it. Come, Tenzin! Come! Så går vi hjem! Så går vi hjem! Kom! Kom så! But I have to get over this mountain of snow. And I will have a nice and my dog will have his afternoon feeding whenever he has been sneaking around here at my neighbors. Hope you all enjoy your life in this nice year 2013. This is the best year ever, I guess. 13 is my lucky number, has been for many years. So, wish you all the best. Just wanted to show you, actually just one white video. Tenzin, come! But it became 2. Hope you don't mind. Love all of you. Take care.